we're filming a couple of excerpts in rehearsal today from a forthcoming concert series called Music from the Heart. And a sort of light take on this, we decided to monitor my heart rate. We're monitoring my heart rate as I'm conducting the orchestra to see how it changes, what music affects it, stress levels, how stress levels affect it, whether enjoyment affects it. So we picked something full of love, or soave fanciulla, from Puccini's bohÈme. And we also picked the Polonaise from Tchaikovsky's Eugene Onegin. Which one is going to get my heart going the most? Well, it's either going to be emotion in the bohème, or just the excited dance-like nature of the Polonaise. I am going to say the Polonaise. So, it's a Polonaise, that's not surprising. It's faster. The reason you should come to see Music from the Heart is we have an incredible world-class orchestra, 2 amazing, wonderful singers, and some of the greatest operatic music ever written, and it should touch your heart.